Why I love Keller Williams. One of the main reasons you probably would never guess. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Hi, I'm Tony Wallis with Keller Williams here in Bedford, New Hampshire. Today I'm going to share with you why I love Keller Williams. First on the list is training. They provide every bit of training that any agent needs. It's amazing what they provide. They have BOLD, Business Objective for a Life by Design. I've taken BOLD multiple times. Fantastic class. Ignite, great class for first-time agents coming in. It's a great training ground for people who are just getting started in the business. And on the Market Center calendar in our office, we have trainings almost every single day. It's how to write a contract. You name it, it's there. So what they're doing is they're giving you all of the information possible to put you in the best position to serve your clients at the highest level. In 2017, Keller Williams was named the #1 training company in the world in any industry. Pretty impressive. The other reason why I love Keller Williams is the culture. In an industry that's based on commission only, you're a 1099 employee, you don't get a salary, everybody's working for themselves. Our office and Keller Williams in general promotes a culture where everybody works together. They have a belief system, and one of the acronyms in the belief system is the last letter is S, success. Results through people. Nobody succeeds alone. And that is the mindset and the culture at Keller Williams. Our office shares all kinds of information. If you've got a best practice, somebody will come and ask me for it, I'll gladly share it. And they do the same. We share information back and forth because what that does is it helps serve our customers at an even higher level because we're sharing all of our best practices and ideas. It's a culture that's unlike any other thing I've ever seen. And in the real estate industry, really, really unique. But love the culture at Keller Williams. I've shared the two top reasons why I love Keller Williams. Number one, training, and 1A, culture. They're both equal in my mind. If you have questions about Keller Williams, a career at Keller Williams, please reach out to me. I'd love to sit down and have a conversation with you. I'll even buy the coffee. My name's Tony Wallis from Keller Williams here in Bedford, New Hampshire. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you found value in what you saw today, click here. More content, more video. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.